Hi everyone, welcome back to King's Kitchen. Today we are making super quick and delicious shrimp and pepper stir fry. Flavorful juicy shrimp, colorful crunchy veggies, and a savory glossy sauce. Perfect for busy weeknights and a fancy dish for dinner guests. Let's prepare the shrimp. I'm using peeled deveined shrimp here. Toss them in a bowl with a bit of soy sauce, some sesame oil, Shao cooking wine, and a bit of cornstarch. Adding Shao wine and the marinating method adds more flavor to the shrimps and reduces any unpleasant smell. Let that marinate for 15 minutes while we prepare the vegetables. We'll slice up one onion into squares, then prepare your bell peppers. I'm using red bell pepper, cut it into same size squares. Slice some spring onions. Next, finely mince some garlic, cloves, and a small piece of ginger. In a small bowl, mix soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, white pepper, and a bit of water. In a separate bowl, mix a bit of cornstarch and water. This is what Chinese restaurants use to thicken the sauce in their stir-fry dishes. Now we are ready to stir-fry. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a wok or a pan over medium-high heat. Toss in the onions and bell peppers. Saute for about a minute, just enough to soften the edges. You want your veggies to still have crunch. This prevents them from overcooking later and keep the dish vibrant. Now remove them from the pan and set them aside. In the same pan, add a little more oil if needed. Now toss in your minced garlic and ginger. Stir fry for just a few seconds until it becomes fragrant. This is when your kitchen will start to smell amazing. Now add in the marinated shrimp. Stir fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes until they start turning pink. Make sure you don't overcook. Pour in our prepared sauce in the pan. Add the onions and bell pepper that we cooked earlier and also the cornstarch slurry. Toss everything well for another 1 to 2 minutes and cook until the sauce is thick and glossy. Finish the dish with some spring onions for some freshness and a little drizzle of sesame oil for a toasty sesame flavor. Make a final quick toss and turn off the heat. Serve the shrimp and pepper stir fry with steamed rice or noodles, and you've got a quick, delicious meal that's packed with flavor. You can cook everything in about 20 minutes from start to finish. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more quick and tasty stir fry recipes.